What's up? The clickbait title. It kind of is a clickbait title, but it's kind of not. It's kind of, I mean, it's true, pretty much, but it's also a clickbait title. I just want to make these little videos so everybody's like, what? It's a Ponzi scheme? And then they're going to click and then they're going to watch the video. But look, it really is. Look, let me show you real quick. You think I'm lying to you? Let me show you real quick. This is your typical stock chart. I'm just going to make one up. Something like that. Just made that up, right? That's EBT. I know that's electric. Oh man, that's funny stuff. Look, it's just a random generic chart. You know what I'm about to say? EBT. You know what that is? Electronic benefit transfer. People with food stamps know what that is. So yeah, that's a generic stock, right? But what's happening in the stock price? What's happening in the stock price? Look, people are buying it. So what do investors do? They buy stuff at a low price and they sell it at a high price, right? That's what they do. They make money. That's what investors do. They all try to make money. So what do? They buy it at a low price and they sell it at a high price, right? And then what's this guy gonna do? Why is he buying this stock? This guy who bought it here sold it to that guy. Why is this guy buying it? He thinks he's gonna make money too. So what's he gonna do? Buy it low and sell it higher? Okay. So why did this guy come buy it? He bought it from that guy, and then he sold it to this guy. This guy, why is he buying it? He's trying to make money too, but guess what? He didn't know it was about to go down to Crapville. He didn't know that. He's not a smart investor. He has not watched all my YouTube channel videos and all my stuff on my website. He don't know about the money game. He doesn't understand this stuff. Nah, I don't know. He's not keeping up with the Joneses. But either way, this guy's gonna sell that guy, and then this guy's gonna sell that guy. Eventually, somebody's gonna lose. It's a Ponzi scheme. And when you really look at it, it really is a Ponzi scheme. It really is. You think I'm lying to you? I said it's a clickbait. I've explained this same concept in a bunch of other videos. I'm making one just specifically about this, so the title can be "Stock Market is a Ponzi Scheme." It is clickbait, but it's true. It's not a lie. I'm not lying to you. I'm not standing here telling you a lie. No, it is a Ponzi scheme. If you still don't understand it, what do we got to do to get you to understand this? Some people are gonna be like, "You're crazy for thinking that. You're a liar. You're a liar. What am I lying about?" Please tell me what I'm lying about. Thank you. Look, it is. Look, people who buy stocks. Look, we can look at cryptocurrency. You can say cryptocurrency market is a Ponzi scheme. A lot of people won't disagree with that. They'll say, "Oh, the stock has intrinsic value because it's part of a company." It doesn't matter. What happened with Enron? Enron's a big company. It crashed, dude. The company has. The fact of the matter is, these stocks are trading on a secondary market. Their prices do reflect company performance, but that's only because investors act according to that information. Okay, it really has. It's all supply and demand, and it's all, for the most part, with these stocks or whatever, cryptocurrencies. These investment vehicles, like them, they're usually comprised of almost entirely, almost 100% investor demand. So, that being said, if you're gonna sell it to somebody, at some point, the price is gonna go down. It's not like they're just happy that they bought this stock because, I'm so happy that I own Apple, even though the freaking stock price went down to like nothing. I'm just so happy that I own part of Apple. I just feel great about that. It's my life's dream to own part of Apple. Nobody thinks like that. Nobody at all. Everybody coming here is trying to make money. So eventually somebody's going to sell to a guy who's stupid enough to buy at a super high price, and the price is going to go down. So it's like a game of hot potato. It's a Ponzi scheme. It's going to, you're buying, selling, buying, selling. It's gonna, so on and so forth. It happens all up in here. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So at some point, some guy's left holding the bag. That's what they call it. A lot of people want to say, "Oh, it's a bubble." Dude, it's always a bubble. It's always a Ponzi scheme. Nobody buys Apple to freaking own Apple. Nobody cares. They're trying to make money. The only reason you can buy Apple is because you heard that you can make a bunch of money off it. That's why you buy these cryptocurrencies. Nobody cares. Nobody just feels good about unless you're buying the entire company, majority shares, you don't care. You don't care. You're just trying to make money. You're an investor. You're buying low and selling high. That's what you're doing. It's a Ponzi scheme, dude. It really is, because it's just this continual thing. Who's coming in and buying? More investors. It's just it's a hot potato game. You're passing it on. What else do I need to explain? People still don't believe me, I can tell. I don't know if they do or they don't, but cryptocurrencies. There's absolutely nothing backing these cryptocurrencies. They're just literally, they're a blockchain, and they're supposedly a secure ledger, which makes them, people feel like they can trade little spaces on that ledger. Okay, so naturally, investors, the same thing happened. What was that the tulip mania? Same thing, dude. Those are freaking, it doesn't matter. It's all the same thing. It's all Ponzi scheme. It's all bubbles. It's all bubbles. Everywhere you look, it's bubbles. Cryptocurrency, same thing. There's no company whatsoever. Nothing there. It's a freaking bubble, but it's a perfect investment vehicle because it's a secure ledger. There's a finite amount of these coins and whatnot, so they can buy them and sell them like any other, just like a stock. Okay, there's other things people can invest in that have multiple types of demand, but for these, they're basically 100% investor demand. They're all bubbles. They're all Ponzi schemes. They're all just pawning off on the next guy trying to make money. And eventually, the price is going to go down. Eventually, somebody's going to lose. It's a Ponzi scheme because eventually, you're going to run out of people to pawn it off on because there's only so many investors. There's only so many investors. Eventually, they're going to say, nope. That's what happens right here. Investors are like, yeah, that's a really high price. I don't want to buy that anymore. And guess what? They're all, nope. He's left holding the bag. That's how it goes. It's a Ponzi scheme. You think I'm lying to you? Think I'm lying to you? Think I'm lying to you? Go watch all my other videos. They explain it all, dude. I explain everything else in all my other videos. Like I said, this is a clickbait video. This is just to grasp your attention. All my other videos explain it, all the real detail about it. This is just baby stuff. This is like little kid. This is like just a little piece of information that I share on other videos. It's a Ponzi scheme. So a lot of people probably won't tell you that. A lot of people might not even know it. A lot of people are buying up here and they think they're winners. They think they know what's up. They think they know what's happening. Like, yeah, dude, I'm gonna get me a Lambo. Can't wait till can't wait till it just keeps going and just people get duped all the time because they don't know how stuff works. So that's why I made my whole channel and everything, sharing this info with people. It's a Ponzi scheme, dude. It really is. There are only so many investors. You know, down here, it's a Ponzi scheme. Just because eventually the music stops. Investors quit coming in. You know, if you don't buy here, who are you selling to? At every point, if you're buying anywhere, who are you going to sell to? An investor. When these are comprised of 100% investor demand, you're selling to another investor. And eventually, all the investors are, you know, except for this dumb guy. This is like the dumbest guy there is, maybe. The dumbest investor on planet Earth. You could write a book about him. Make a movie about him or something. About Look, the dumbest investor on planet Earth. He's the last one left. Everybody else is gone. At some point, he's the one left holding the bag. You know, he's the last dude that you could dupe it off on. You know, these are not regular. I'm talking about these type of assets that have 100% investor demand. If you want to talk about real estate or something, there's always somebody that wants a house. There's always somebody that wants something like that. Or you're talking about classic cars or art or something else like that, or even gold. Or gold and silver are actually kind of the same thing because they're just rocks. At the end of the day, you might have people who want to use them for like superconductors or some weird tonic that they're making or something. But at the end of the day, they're just rocks, dude. Same with gems. Same with whatever. Those are just rocks, dude. Let's get real. These are just pieces of paper. These are freaking invisible, made-up ledgers on the freaking blockchain. Dude, I don't know. Some people buy rocks because they like diamond, wedding ring. I guess there's demand like that. But when we're talking about 100% investor demand, it's a Ponzi scheme because you're selling to another investor. Eventually, you run out of investors, and the music stops. And you're left holding the bag. Hot potato, real stuff. So this is kind of just a little piece of bait to drag you into the rest of my channel. I talk about a lot of stuff, dude. If you think this is something to think about, you better watch some other stuff. A lot of other videos are long. This stuff's not very easy to actually, I think people are impatient. I gotta be honest. I don't think my stuff's that long. People are lucky, let me be honest, people are lucky that I have been able, actually, you know what, I don't know. It depends on people, because some people, they'll never watch them. They'll just say, oh, this was a good video, and this never watch any other videos. They might watch other videos. They might not learn very much. They might already know a lot of stuff. But they might learn a whole bunch. Who knows? So I don't know if you're lucky or if you're just not even gonna watch them. I don't know. Either way, this is the bait, and you're supposed to bite, and I'm gonna reel you in, and you're gonna get on my YouTube channel, subscribe, and watch all my videos. That's the whole plan. Talk to you guys later.